Welcome to this complete Sorrento, Italy travel guide, where the sun is always shining and the gelato is always cold. Nestled on the captivating Amalfi Coast, Sorrento is a charming Italian town that's a blend of history, beauty, and culture. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets surrounded by vibrant buildings, the scent of blooming flowers and the hum of Italian conversations. In this guide, we're going to explore 10 must-see attractions in Sorrento. From strolling through the vibrant Piazza Tasso, visiting the picturesque Marina Grande, to admiring the breathtaking views from Villa Comunale Park. We'll taste the zesty limoncello at a local distillery, visit the historic Sorrento Cathedral, and discover the enchanting Vallone dei Mulini. We'll also take a boat trip to the glamorous island of Capri and enjoy a mesmerizing sunset at Punta del Capo. And last, but certainly not least, we'll explore the treasures of the Museo Correale di Terranova. So buckle up as we take an adventure to the land of lemons and sunsets, Sorrento. First on our list is a leisurely stroll through Piazza Tasso. A pulsing heart of Sorrento, Piazza Tasso is more than just a square. It's a symphony of history, culture, and Italian charm. Named after the famous Italian poet Torquato Tasso, the piazza is steeped in history and lined with eye-catching pastel buildings. As you wander through, you'll find quaint cafes where the aroma of freshly brewed espresso fills the air. Don't be surprised if you find yourself pulled towards these inviting establishments. They're perfect for a spot of people watching. And let's not forget the vibrant shops brimming with local crafts and boutique fashion. It's a shopper's paradise. As the day fades, Piazza Tasso transforms into a bustling hub of nightlife. The melodious tunes of live music fill the air and the square comes alive with locals and tourists alike, all soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. Remember, no trip to Sorrento is complete without a leisurely stroll through Piazza Tasso. Next, we set sail to the Marina Grande. Picture this, an old fishing village nestled between the azure waves of the Tyrrhenian Sea and the towering cliffs of Sorrento. The air is thick with the scent of the sea mixed with the tantalizing aroma of fresh seafood being cooked at the many local restaurants that line the marina. Now, take a moment to appreciate the colorful boats dotting the landscape. Each one tells a story of generations of fishermen who have braved the sea, casting their nets under the watchful gaze of the golden sun. It's not just about fishing, though. Marina Grande is a place to unwind, to soak in the relaxed atmosphere that seems to be a part of the very fabric of this charming harbor. The Marina Grande is a testament to Sorrento's rich maritime history, a vibrant palette of sights, sounds, and smells that will stay with you long after you've left. So don't forget to cast your nets at Marina Grande. For a touch of tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle, explore the Cloister of San Francisco. This oasis of calm is a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of bustling Sorrento. The cloister is a testament to the harmonious blend of different architectural styles, from Gothic to Renaissance, that come together to create a unique atmosphere. The beautiful arches with their intricate stonework wrap around the serene courtyard, leading your eyes towards the lush garden. Here, the leafy green canopy overhead creates a dappled light effect on the ancient cobblestones below, a sight to behold indeed. The garden itself is a riot of colors, with flowers blooming in every corner, their sweet scent wafting through the air, a treat for your senses. One can't help but feel a sense of peace and tranquility in this divine setting, a world away from the outside din. So for a moment of serenity, remember to visit the Cloister of San Francisco. Next, we take you high above the city to admire the views from Villa Comunale Park. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff with the wind gently tousling your hair as you gaze upon the panoramic vistas that stretch out before you. The Bay of Naples sparkles in the sun, its azure waters stretching out towards the horizon. The mighty Vesuvius stands tall and majestic, a silent sentinel watching over the city, its past eruptions a testament to nature's raw power. Now let your eyes wander to the city of Sorrento itself. Nestled in the verdant hills, the city is a patchwork of terracotta rooftops, narrow winding streets and vibrant squares, all framed by the lush greenery of the park. The view from Villa Comunale Park is like a living postcard, a scene so breathtakingly beautiful that it imprints itself on your memory forever. So, for breathtaking views, make sure to visit Villa Comunale Park. Now for a taste of Sorrento, we visit a local Limoncello distillery. Ah, Limoncello, the golden elixir of Sorrento. This citrusy liqueur is steeped in tradition, capturing the very essence of Sorrento's sun-kissed lemons. The process of making limoncello is a labor of love. It begins with the careful peeling of lemons, ensuring only the yellow zest is used. This zest is then soaked in pure alcohol for around 8 days. After this, a syrup of water and sugar is added, and the concoction is left to marry for another 10 days. The result? An aromatic, sweet and tangy liqueur that is nothing short of a liquid sunshine. A sip of limoncello is an explosion of flavors. It's sweet yet tart, with a robust lemon flavor that lingers on the palate. It's a drink that warms the soul and sparks joy, echoing the vibrant spirit of Sorrento. So, when you're in Sorrento, don't forget to get a taste of the local limoncello. Next on our list, we take you to the heart of Sorrento, to the Sorrento Cathedral. A true gem in the city's crown, the Sorrento Cathedral offers a serene retreat from the bustle of the city. With its exquisite architecture, it stands as a testament to the city's rich history. Its facade, a harmonious blend of both Romanesque and Gothic styles, is an architectural marvel that draws your gaze and invites you to explore its depths. Inside, the cathedral houses a wealth of art that spans centuries. From the intricate frescoes that adorn its walls to the masterfully crafted wooden choir stalls, every piece tells a story of devotion and artistic mastery. The cathedral's tranquility is palpable, providing a sanctuary of calm amidst the vibrant city life. But it's not just the architecture and art that make the Sorrento Cathedral special. Its sense of tranquility, the quiet whispers of history and the echoes of centuries-old prayers create an atmosphere that's truly unique. So for a touch of history and culture, remember to visit the Sorrento Cathedral. Next, we delve into the green heart of Sorrento to the Vallone dei Mulini. This verdant oasis is a hidden gem, nestled in the heart of the city. Imagine, if you will, a valley carpeted in a lush quilt of greenery, a stark contrast to the bustling city streets above. At the center of this valley, an old mill stands as a testament to Sorrento's past, its stony structure appearing like a sentinel amidst the thick vegetation. It's been there since the 13th century, a silent witness to the passage of time. Its walls, now covered in moss, seem to whisper tales of a bygone era when the mill was a hive of activity. The unique charm of the valley is its ability to transport you to a different time, a different pace of life. Its tranquil solitude provides a refreshing respite from the everyday hustle and bustle. So for a trip back in time, make sure to visit Vallone dei Mulini. Next, we set sail to the island of Capri. Picture this, a gentle breeze brushing past your face. The vibrant azure of the Tyrrhenian Sea shimmering under the Italian sun as you embark on a magical boat trip to the island of Capri. This slice of paradise, nestled in the Gulf of Naples, is a spectacle to behold. Once you set foot on this island, you'll be greeted by its unique charm, a blend of natural beauty and glamorous sophistication. Streets lined with chic boutiques, quaint cafes, and vibrant villas captivate every visitor. But the real gem of Capri lies underground. The Blue Grotto, a sea cave bathed in an ethereal blue light, is a sight that's beyond words. The sunlight passing through an underwater cavity illuminates the cavern, creating a surreal, magical atmosphere. Capri is an island that seizes your senses and captivates your heart. So, for an unforgettable trip, make sure to visit Capri. Next, we take you to the edge of Sorrento, to Punta del Capo. This place, my dear adventurers, is a symphony of colors as the day bids adieu. As the sun takes a bow, it paints the sky with hues of red and orange, casting an enchanting spell on the surrounding landscape. The tranquil atmosphere here at Punta del Capo is a perfect companion for those seeking a serene escape. You can feel the whispering wind carrying tales of the sea, while the rhythmic lullaby of the waves gently crashing against the shore creates a soothing soundtrack. The views here are nothing short of spectacular. The vast expanse of the Mediterranean Sea merges with the horizon, and the silhouette of the distant islands adds a touch of mystery to the stunning panorama. Time seems to slow down here, as if allowing you to soak in every bit of this magical spectacle. So, for a mesmerizing sunset, make sure to visit Punta del Capo. Last but not least, we explore the Museo Correale di Terranova. A grand manor in Sorrento, this museum is a treasure trove of art and history. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the corridors of time, where each room opens up a new chapter of the past. Imagine walking through halls adorned with magnificent paintings, each one a testament to the skill and imagination of artists from bygone eras. From Neapolitan paintings to European porcelain and Murano glass, the museum showcases a diverse range of art styles and mediums. Yet the Museo Correale di Terranova isn't just about art, it's a portal into the rich tapestry of Sorrento's history. The museum's unique charm lies in its ability to weave a narrative that connects the past to the present, creating a bridge between generations. So for a taste of Sorrento's rich history and culture, make sure to visit Museo Correale di Terranova. And there you have it, a complete guide to the top 10 things to do in Sorrento. From the lively Piazza Tasso with its vibrant cafe culture, to the picturesque Marina Grande where the sea meets the sky in a breathtaking spectacle. The serene beauty of the Cloister of San Francisco, the panoramic views from Villa Comunale Park, the tangy taste of Limoncello at a local distillery and the majestic Sorrento Cathedral all tell a tale of Sorrento's rich history and culture. The Vallone dei Mulini, a relic of Sorrento's past, the exhilarating boat trip to Capri and the awe-inspiring sunset at Punta del Capo all add to the charm of this Italian paradise. And let's not forget the Museo Correale di Terranova, a treasure trove of art and history. All this and more await you in Sorrento. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the heart of Italy, in beautiful Sorrento. Ciao!